Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Zaman. I am graduate of the University of Punjab in 2003. After that, I studied my PhD in sociology from the Leipzig University, Germany in 2009. I did two postdoc, one from the Center for Penology and also Criminology, University of Warsaw, Poland in 2011. And after 2011, I was engaged with the German universities in teaching and research, mainly with the Bielefeld University and University of Leipzig. I did my second postdoc in 2014-15 from the Zurich University, Switzerland. And my whole study is related with the sociology, criminology, and penology. I established Department of Sociology in 2014 in Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamabad. And after that, I have also been engaged with a number of national and international universities working as collaborator on various projects of related to research on crime, criminology, and penology. I will teach criminology, and the course is mainly about why people involved in criminology and criminal acts, what are the reasons, and how they get engaged with this pathetic behavior. We will also discuss the historical roots of the crimes and criminals, what are the causes and what are the consequences, how society deals the criminals and the criminal behavior. We will also discuss why the former victims of crimes take special interest in the subject of criminology and why they want to study, why it is important that they should know the criminal behavior and its relationship with the theory as well as the empirical foundations. We will also discuss the relationship of crime and human behavior, why human behavior is inclined to the criminal tendencies, why the propensity of crime is higher among certain peoples and it is lower among the other peoples. What are the reasons? We will also discuss the theoretical reasons. Also, somewhere the level of religiosity and how it is going to restrict the criminal behavior or maybe at some time promotes the criminal behavior. We will also discuss why criminologists predict the crime behavior among certain peoples or certain groups, or why certain groups are sensitized about the crime and why some peoples are labeled as criminals and some groups are also labeled as criminals. And somewhere, some of the race and identity is also linked with the criminals. We will also discuss what exactly criminology deals with. Is this the social behavior? Is it the learned behavior? Or it is biological behavior? Or it is the social environment that promotes the crimes and criminals? And how these crimes and criminals are being dealt. What is the correctional behavior of the people? How crimes can be corrected? And what are the theoretical foundations of the criminal rehabilitation, resocialization? We will also deal with the famous definition of Sutherland that is related to the law making, law breaking, and reactions to law making and breaking. We will also deal with the some of the dark side of human nature, especially the criminal's behavior. And we will also establish the relationship between the criminology, social justice system, psychology, sociology, and with the forensic science. So this would be the overall scope of the course of criminology.